So the next built-in elements that can help us are the cleanups and the compression ones. Okay, so the first cleanup, this has probably happened to you whenever your Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox is not working. The first thing that they'll use like to uh, eliminate all the cache and temporary files that you have. That is because those are unwanted. Okay, they're like rubbish things that are just left in your computer because at some time the computer thinks they may be handy. They may be handy, but truth is, most of the times they're not that handy, and they just end up consuming memory, buffers. All those buffers are like just too short, and they're like run out of space very like I don't know, very soon. So they're just like, okay, I need to clean up here so I can make some space and continue working. And that is deleting these temporary files, okay? So Thrash, I know you have like eliminated like a lot of stuff, and at some point you don't need that anymore, so you keep it all. So whenever you make a backup, I don't know, you have a backup that you did on September the 1st, okay? And you backed up everything. But what happens if, I don't know, you did another backup on October the 2nd, and you're sure that this backup is not handy anymore? Wait a second. And you're sure that the previous backup is totally not useful to you anymore. What you end up doing? You end up deleting. Just if and only if this guy is no longer useful. If it is, well, what happened here? No longer useful. Okay, so then this is the time when you just delete all backups. And web caches, let's say you access a lot NFL.com and everything is stored in your memory, but at some point your web browser says, dude, I need more space, you need to like clear things, then you kill these things, okay? So you clean up things that are not like useful anymore, okay? So you get rid of things, of old stuff. That is. And compression, selected and non-selective. Selective, have you been like using this little program, 7zip, 7set, or WinZip, or all those little nice things? That is compression, okay? Making selecting stuff and here. Non-selective things are like MP3s, MP4s, and audio files, okay? Cool thing about selective things is that you can select actually what you want to compress and what's useful and what's not useful. The computer finds patterns and okay, it says, okay, this matches with this, and it'll just compress the things. With non-selective, you can be like exposed to data loss, and that these things are not so efficient.